my goodness, here we are, and we just got a package in the mail.
I'm gonna laugh.
Who's this from?
Hello.
I don't know what it is.
Wow.
Oh, don't get it.
What,
no.
Getty?
Hang on.
I'm gonna laugh if it's not beef jerky.
It's not
What makes
beef
you think it'll be beef jerky?
Because you're taping this because of that.
Huh?
Because you're taping this because of that.
Maybe,
It's
maybe
a
not.
box of wood.
What does that say?
Oh yeah, it's beef
Yeah,
jerky.
Nancy.
To open and card and gift only Nancy. She will follow the instructions. Here, videotape that. She will follow the instructions. This card and gift. Oh, you got Buckeyes.
I love Buckeyes.
Oh, that's so sweet.
Maybe that will be your payment to me in gas.
I paid you for gas.
I'll give it back.
Don't get those all over the place.
Ministered by me and me alone.
It's for y'all.
Why?
I will know how to be the most fair and diplomatic. You must not oh, there you go.
Here's yours, Dad. I mean, Mom.
Kentucky
What the heck?
Okay.
Vital Blanc.
This is going out.
What is it?
Are you taping?
Beer cheese. There you go.
Ooh.
Get it, getting it everywhere.
Jeez, look
Dude.
at this.
Get it. Stop, you're getting it everywhere.
Who's this to?
Okay,
Interesting,
so
right?
I have to follow a rule. Here's my gift,
One gift.
Getty. Here's my gift. Oh my gosh.
I'm guessing you guys like beef jerky.
Oh my God! Wait till you
I've
try
never
this.
had anything like that.
Oh, it says shrunk wrap it. That's mine, isn't it?
No, it's mine.
Oh, it's yours. You have to delve it out. That's a bunch of. You tell the Swikers that's a bunch of crapola.
Kim, does that qualify as whining or fussing?
No, Kim, it sure doesn't.
This is two.
Wow, look at that. That's pretty impressive.
This is for all of us.
Oh my goodness, this is like
Where did-
Christmas in February.
What? It is Christmas.
It is,
says
guys.
Christmas.
February.
How come they did that?
Wow, because they're such wonderful, kind people.
But it's
How do you know
February.
them?
Well, you know
We
what,
met him through the horse
Don't
deal.
complain.
Ernie?
We met him through the
Ooh, look
horsey
at
business.
that.
Took a trip out with him last year.
Pretty nice book.
Look at this. Beyond the gates of America's premier horse farms and ranches.
Ooh, that looks like a
Thank
nice
you, Kim.
book.
That is awesome.
Hi, Kim.
Oh, Tori, you just, oh my gosh, holy cow.
How much more do they have in there?
Wow.
It's the ever-expanding box from UPS.
Okay,
Holy moly. This is, oh, I get another present. I know who Kim's favorite is. Oh, that's nice. Ooh, what might this be?
Is that like a wine holder?
I think it is a box. Oh.
Oh. It's a
Wait,
cheese
it's,
deal. Isn't it a cheese dish?
No, it's to hold your bottle of wine.
Oh.
Hang on.
Bottle of wine goes,
I can't figure it out.
Maybe she's had too much
oh, that's
wine.
pretty.
I haven't had any wine. Maybe that's the problem. That's beautiful.
It's a wine
what does it say?
Beautiful.
bottle decanter holder thingamajigger.
Oh, look at the back.
Here, we're running out of time for YouTube to get it on. So they have a 2-minute limit. So say thank you.
I thought.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
Kim. Hold on. Thank you, Kim. Love you guys.
That was awesome.